जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम अफ़सा है। मैं अपनी बेटी के साथ 14 साल की बेटी के साथ साकेत आई हूँ। One day she woke up with severe chest pain and started coughing blood. So we were very scared. We admitted her to private clinic at our home. They did lots of tests. बाद में बताया कि उसके lungs में एक large cavity है जो infected है, इसकी वजह से खून निकल आ रहा है. They don't have any thoracic surgeon for pediatric. We contacted OMCA. From that, it happened very quickly. As soon as we landed, she was being taken charge of immediately.
She was brought to India in an air ambulance. We evaluated her once she got admitted in the hospital. We made a plan and we came up with the plan that she would probably need a right upper lobectomy, which means removal of the complete upper part of the right lung which has that cavity. She underwent that surgery with a minimal access method called VATS. We removed that cavity and 5-6 hours after the surgery, her bleeding completely stopped.
I was very scared of surgery, but after I met Dr. Kamran Ali, I felt safer and in good hands.
Within 1 day of surgery, she was able to stand up, and the next day she was able to move.
I want to thank Dr. Kamran Ali at Max Hospital, Saket, and his entire team.
We are ready to send her home and we wish her the best of luck in her life.